This brand new factory is the UK's first and only RNA vaccine production line. Part of a £1 billion investment by American firm Moderna, very welcome in the UK, as back home their president becomes outwardly hostile to vaccines.
They pump so much stuff into those beautiful little babies, it's a disgrace. I don't see it. I think it's very bad. They're pumping, it looks like they're pumping into a horse.
If we can prevent those people...
I asked Moderna's CEO if he's worried.
Yes, I do worry about it, because if you look at it, it's kind of the consequence of what happened with the pandemic, which is, if you think about it, the world was stopped. It was terrible. What saved all of us was vaccination.
Do you think the Trump administration is reminding you of that?
I think so. And again, President Trump has been talking very clearly about how Operation Warp Speed was an amazing impact.
Though President Trump has showered himself in praise for Operation Warp Speed, his COVID response effort,
Hello, everyone.
His new administration has become openly anti-vaccine, especially towards RNA jabs, even stripping Moderna of $700 million in research funding. Their decision to invest in the UK may have been a smart one.
If there is less appetite by governments around the world, including in the US, to use vaccine, we might invest less in vaccine. We have to invest where there is a demand for products.
These steel bioreactors can produce 100 million doses of mRNA vaccine against diseases like COVID, flu, and new cancer jabs being trialled in the NHS. Everything is behind glass to ensure the biological messages encoded in mRNA are error-free and entirely sterile. The most advanced vaccine technology the UK desperately wanted.
The UK's vaccine rollout has hit its first significant hit.
Supply issues during the pandemic revealed a woeful lack of vaccine manufacturing capability in the UK.
This plant is also a strategic asset designed so that in times of a pandemic, it can shift production to produce up to 250 million doses of RNA vaccine against whatever virus nature decides to throw at us.
For a man who led our pandemic response, now a minister, it's a nice thing to have.
Very relieved. The vaccine that, if you like, is a dial-up vaccine, one that you can rapidly adapt to a new infection should it occur. So I think it's great that we've got this domestic, onshored capability.
At a time when 4 big drug firms have pulled investment from the UK, it's no surprise 2 ministers came to celebrate the opening of this one. A deal struck long before they were in power, but
how sharp are these scissors?
Given the investment environment here and anti-vaccine fever across the Atlantic, they'll be relieved this cutting-edge plant is opening at all. Tom Clark, Sky News.